Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera, and we are going to learn new things. Are you ready for them? Alright, let's see. But before learning new things, we are going to chat about something. Okay, did you wash your hands today? Frequently, I am talking about again and again. Very good, it's a very good habit. Did you take the shower today? Good. Did you brush your teeth? Wow. Did you have the breakfast? What did you have? Huh? Alright. You had a milkshake today. Yeah, it's very healthy. Wow, lovely. Alright. And one more thing I want to ask. Are you wearing mask before going out? Wow, lovely. You have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your health as well. As you know, the virus is outside everywhere. Alright, that's why you have to wear the mask. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home and enjoy my episodes of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Are you ready to learn? Now, let's move on. The new friend, a new sound. Who is he? Let's see. Oh, it's in. Look at me carefully. In. What is this sound? In. See? In. Okay, you have learned it. Great. Nest. Nest. And who lives in the nest? Who lives in the nest? Yes, birdies live in the nest. Birdies live in the nest. In nail. In nail. Do you cut your nails weekly? Yes, you have to cut your nails week-wise. Alright? Okay. Nose. And what do we do with the nose? Yeah, we can smell through our nose. We can smell what mama cooks. We can smell perfumes. We can smell bad things as well through our nose, isn't it? Yes, you're right. In nurse. In nurse. And what does a nurse do? Yes, she takes care of the patients. When you are sick and you go to the hospital, a nurse takes care of you, isn't it? She gives you a shot, she gives you a medicine, she helps the doctor, isn't it? She takes care of the patients. And she is always in the hospital. You can see her in the hospital. She wears this kind of hat. Alright. She has a uniform as well sometimes. When you go to the hospital, you can see that a nurse wears white clothes. Alright. Or maybe in blue clothes. Sometimes she wears blue clothes as well. Alright. Nurse. Now, I will move on some of the very important topic, and we will learn some of the new things today as well. Alright, now these are parts of the body. I have a body, a very busy body. I have a body, a very busy body. It goes with me everywhere. Isn't it so? Our body is very busy. All the time it is moving here and there, and it has many organs and parts which play important role in our lives. Alright, let's see what they do and what are these parts called. Okay, what is this? Yes, this one. Yeah, it's a hand. What is this? Hand, show me your hand. Wave me with your hand. Wave. Hi. Yes, this is my hand. And where are yours? Oh, I can see your hands, little hands. And how many hands do we have? Yes, we have 2 hands. 1, 2. Lovely. Now move on the other body part, and this is foot. 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 All right, and how many feet do we have? 1 feet? 2 feet? Yes, we have 2 feet. Yes, and what do we do with the feet? We move from one place to another. Alright, now we will move on the other part of the body, and that is mouth. What do we do with the mouth? We eat lot of things. We talk with our mouth, okay? And we have teeth in our mouth, isn't it so? Now the next one. What is this? Arm. Now show me your arms. How many arms do you have? Yes, we have and you have only 2 arms. How many arms? 1 arm, 2 arms. 1, 2, 2 arms. Now the next one, oh my God, the most important part of our body is our eyes. Oh, I can see your beautiful eyes. Wow. And do you know what do we do with our eyes? Yes, we can see with our eyes. Can you see me? How can you see me? Yes, with your 2 beautiful eyes. I have 1 eye, 2 eyes. 1, 2. How many eyes? 2 eyes. Wow, lovely. Now, let's move on. Yes, teeth. Do you take care of your teeth? Do you brush your teeth after every meal? Yes, we should brush our teeth after every meal. Alright, and you have to take care of your teeth. Don't eat too much candies and sweet and ice creams. It will decay your teeth otherwise. Done? Good. Now we will discuss only these parts of the body today, and the remaining one we will discuss tomorrow. Alright, now move on. The months of the year. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. This is January, February, March, April. Now today we are going to spell 5th month of the year, and that is May. What is the name of the month? May. Let's spell it. M-A-Y. May. May. M-A-Y. May. And it's the 5th month of the year. You have to remember it. Alright. I hope you are learning a lot with me, with the episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. You are learning now, and you will learn more. I am assuring you, you will be learning more and more. But when? Tomorrow with a new episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.